I'm just going to show you how to set it up. Comes out of the bag really easily. It does come with a vinyl mat for if you're on the ground, but when you're up on a cot, it doesn't work as well. So I'll just roll it up and leave it in the bag. Comes with, I think, a total of 7 stakes. You only need 6, 1 extra. They are actually heavier duty than your standard tent stake that comes with a lot of your little vinyl 2 or 3 person tents. And then it comes with 3 guy ropes for securing the ends. And then it does come with a owner's manual for those of you who want to take the time and read the instructions. After you take it out of the bag, you undo the straps. And you unroll it. Secure the corner just around the edge of your cot in whichever fashion you choose to do so. I'm just going to do a couple of half hitches. There are 3 sets of tent poles. They are different lengths. They have a nylon bungee inside of them to hold them together. The longest one goes on the head end, the shortest one goes on the bottom end, and then the medium one goes in the middle. There is this sleeve that you slide it through and then use the little pin, stick it in. Hook the clips, and you hook the guy wire to the end. There's a vent down here, and you use it. We don't know for sure why there's the loop on top. I suppose you could use that as well if you didn't want to use the guy wire, but you just stake it down and then just snug it tight. The one in the middle, there's a mark on the side where there's some Velcro, 2 little pins. Stick it in one side, stick it in the other side, and you Velcro this to it, and then just the netting has Velcro on it as well. And you just connect them all the way across. And then on the other end, same thing. There's a little sleeve. So you pull in. Push the pin into the end. The other side. And then again, using the guy wire, stretch it out, take it down, and then snug it tight. You don't want this to be too far this way, or it makes it really difficult to zip the top up. So you want it set closer to just straight perpendicular up and down. So that's the basic tent. It does come with a foam pad. It's about 2 inches. It has a netting that you can zip up. It's a little loose, sir. And it can be used just like that. In the summertime, in nice weather, you want to watch the stars, or just get the breeze in the middle of the day. You can take this canvas piece, just fold it back. It does unzip all the way down to the end, so you can roll it up and just use the netting. The canvas piece, however, the top piece, has Velcro tabs. So if you don't want to zip the whole thing up, you just want to throw it over, but make sure it's secured in place from inside or outside. It does have the tab there, and then the, oh, I guess we should hook those to it too. Might help too. Professional, I'm not. As my boys keep reminding me. So anyway, that is the basic tent. Keep it tensioned with the guy ropes on the ends, and there you have it. So the takedown is pretty much exactly the opposite. You undo the stakes on the end, you take the poles out, and then it rolls together up into a nice little bundle, and then put it into the carrying case. So we'll go ahead and do that now. there is at the top here a little sleeve that you can slide your tent poles into if you choose. I think I'll just end up just sticking them on the end. Just hold them up that way. And once you have it all unsecured, it is really simply a matter of just starting at the head end and rolling. The stuff sack is very large, so it doesn't really matter how tightly you wrap it. That's it. Then you grab the sack. And it is designed so that you can just slide it in. That's it. Anyway, as you can see, pretty simple and easy to put up, pretty simple and easy to put down. Doesn't take up a lot of space. And so far, we really like the tent. We're looking forward to using it a lot more in the future. So if you have any comments, please leave them below. Like, subscribe, and we will see you next time. Anyway, this is the